Have you ever caught yourself slouching at your desk or noticed that your shoulders have a tendency to round forward? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of posture, and trust me, it's more important than you might think. So, here's the million-dollar question. Are you ready to unlock the secret to a confident and healthy posture? Let's roll. Welcome back to Gain Goals. Before we dive into the juicy details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our enlightening content. All right, let's set the stage. Imagine this. You're engrossed in an important project, hunched over your desk, lost in your thoughts. Hours fly by, but the toll on your posture remains. But fear not, my friends, because today I'm introducing you to a powerful 5-minute routine that can turn the tables on your posture game. Time to break it down. Our quick and effective routine is designed to target key muscle groups, helping you stand tall and proud. Ready for a sneak peek? Step 1. The shoulder blade squeeze. This move is your secret weapon against rounded shoulders. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold for 5 seconds, release, and repeat. Simple, right? Moving on to step 2, chin tucks. Gently tuck your chin in, creating a double chin. Yes, really. Hold for a few seconds, release, and repeat. This one's fantastic for countering that pesky forward head posture. Step 3, wall angels. Find a wall, stand with your back against it, and mimic the motion of making snow angels. This helps open up your chest and improves your shoulder mobility. Step 4, hip flexor stretch. A strong lower body foundation is key to great posture. Kneel on one knee, tighten your glutes, and lean forward slightly. You'll feel the stretch in the front of your hip. Hold, switch sides, and repeat. Finally, step 5, core contractions. Engage your core muscles by gently pulling your belly button toward your spine. Hold for a few seconds, release, and repeat. This strengthens your core, giving you that stable base you need. A simple yet transformative 5-minute routine that can drastically improve your posture. Incorporate this into your daily routine and watch the magic unfold. Remember, a confident posture isn't just about how you look. It's about how you feel and how you project yourself to the world. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.